In last we discussed
on spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis.
Now the last stage
of spermatogenesis we call spermatid. Now
this spermatid converts into elongated structure, and that elongated structure is called as sperm.
Now
spermatid forms elongated structure called as sperm. This phenomenon is
known as spermiogenesis. So spermatogenesis का लास्ट रिजल्ट क्या हो गया? Sperm is also known as spermatozoa or spermatozoon. Now we discuss on semen. जिसे हिंदी में आप जानते हैं गेज. Discharging of semen is known as discharging of semen is ejaculation. हमने क्या लिखा है? सीमेन के निष्कासन के इजैकुलेशन कहा जाता है. Semen is alkaline. Semen is alkaline in nature. pH is 7.5. It is viscous and creamy color. Presence of more than 120 million sperms in 3 to 4 ml of semen. 3 to 4 ml of semen. Now we discussed on sperm. अब हम स्पर्म के बारे में डिस्कस करें. स्पर्म क्या है, स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है, क्रोमोसोम की संख्या कितने होते हैं.
sperm.
sperm.
It is
It is
male gamete.
male gamete.
It is male.
It is male gamete.
It is motile.
It is motile.
It is
It
motile.
is motile.
It bears the
It bears the
haploid
haploid
chromosome.
haploid chromosome. Chromosome.
That is
Some.
half.
That is half.
Size.
Size.
Length.
Length
50 mm
50 mm.
60 mm.
60 mm.
Wideness
Wideness
2.5
2.5 mu into 3.5
mm.
mu.
Now we discuss
Now we
on
discussed on
structure. Now we
structure.
discussed on
Now we discussed
structure.
on structure.
There are four
There are
regions
four
are
regions
found in
are found in
There are four regions
There
are
are
found
four
in
regions are found in
sperm.
sperm.
Structure.
Four regions.
Four regions.
Four regions.
Head,
Head,
neck,
neck,
middle part,
middle part,
middle part, and tail.
and tail.
There are four regions.
There are four
Are
regions
in a
are
sperm.
found in a
Head,
sperm.
neck,
Head,
part,
neck,
and
middle part,
tail.
and tail. middle part,
that is
that is
tail.
हमें क्या क्या
Head, middle part और tail.
मिडिल पार्ट और
अब इसमें हम ये देखेंगे,
अब इसमें हम ये देखेंगे तो हेड में कौन कौन भाग है।
acrosome,
एक्रोसोम,
nucleus,
न्यूक्लियस,
nucleus,
न्यूक्लियस,
cilia,
जेलिया,
meninges,
मैंचेट,
meninges,
मैंचेट,
centriole,
सेंट्रियोल,
axial filament,
एक्सियल फिलामेंट,
axial
एक्सियल
filament,
फिलामेंट,
mitochondria,
माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया,
mitochondria,
माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया,
that is also
that is also known as axoneme,
known as
also known as
axoneme.
axoneme,
That is annulus.
that is annulus,
Annulus.
that is
That is also known as
it is also known as thread.
अब हम लोग डिस्कस
अब हम लोग डिस्कस है
head is the largest part
the largest
of
part
this part in
of
which
this
is
part
of
in which
larger
parties of larger
that is
material
covered by
that is covered by double layer
upper part is known as
upper part is known as
lower is
area and lower is
Begins
mantle.
of hereditary
Begins of
material
hereditary material
nucleus.
within
nucleus. Head is
nucleus.
also
Head is
covered
also covered
like a structure
like a
called
structure
as
called as
acrosome.
acrosome.
Now, second
Now,
position is
second
known as
position is known as
begins of a
in
pair
which
of
begins of a pair of
centrioles.
centrioles.
Now, middle
Now,
it is
middle part.
the longest
It is
part of
the longest part of
in which begins of a
in
pair
which
of
begins
axial
of a pair of
filament.
axial filament. That axial filament is also known as axoneme.
That is
That
spirally
is
coiled by
spirally coiled by
mitochondria. That is spirally coiled by
mitochondria.
mitochondria. And the last part of middle
part of
here
middle
a ring like a structure
called as
from annulus.
From annulus. There is a rise.
Rib like a
There
structure
is
called
rib
as
like a structure
flagella.
called as
That is
flagella.
acrosome.
That is acrosome.
Acrosome secretes the
Acrosome secretes the lysine juice.
Secretes the
Secretes the
juice.
lysine
At the time
juice.
of fertilization.
At the time of fertilization, at first, it
lysine
forms
juice.
lysine
This lysine juice
This lysine
dissolves
juice
the
dissolves
outer face
the
of
outer face of
lemma.
Ulema is the outermost layer
Then
of
forms a
ovum.
pore.
Then forms a pore.
Nucleus is the largest part.
Nucleus is the
Now we
largest
come
part.
on
Now we come on
mitochondria middle part.
mitochondria middle part. Mitochondria holds
energy
the energy in the form of
for the
ATP.
activity
For
of
the activity
sperm.
of
For
sperm.
the activity of
For the
sperm.
activity of sperm.
Mitochondria is
Spirally
the
wired.
axial
The
filament.
axial
Now
filament.
annulus
Now annulus
the flagella like a structure called as
that
tail. Only helps
that
the
only
movement
helps
of
the movement
sperm.
of
That
sperm.
helps to
That
movement of
helps
sperm.
movement
And that
of
moves
sperm.
the
And
sperm
that moves
up
the
to the
sperm
reaching
up
near
to the reaching
ovum.
near ovum.
Now we
Now we
each part we
the
discussed
each
in
part we
next
discuss in
video.
next video.